So we are going to do like oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. This is so cringy. We look like trash because we just got back from the gym, so we're starving.
No, it's not focusing. Okay.
We're starving, so we're gonna eat, but we're also gonna like do what's the challenge? Who's most likely?
Oh.
Who's most likely to challenge? Bitch, what the fuck is this? Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is my best friend Nina and my best friend Karina. We're we okay. So let's just eat first because I'm starving.
Oh, let's start. Okay.
Who wants the egg yolk?
It's fine. You guys can start it.
You take it.
What in the world,
Okay, whatever.
guys?
I'm just gonna take the
The
egg
egg.
yolk. We got like a double egg yolk, and I think, and people say it's bad luck, so can't wait. Like my life is not that great.
We enjoy the symmetry of that. Okay, I
Do
don't
you
know.
help?
I don't know what to do.
What do you want?
You can just take
I don't know. I guess.
the whole thing. Good.
Aren't mukbangs supposed to be like calm or like?
Oh no! It's only been like a few seconds in, and we're already.
Nina, do you want the whole?
Yeah, give her the egg. It's hers. Her not if you break it, I swear to God.
Oh no.
Okay, then. Nina.
We're not professional. Oh no! Yay!
It's literally our first time.
Oh my God! No wait! I just want it a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Yay!
I'm gonna try the spicy one because I haven't had it in a while. Okay, so the first question is, who is most likely to be a bad actor?
Nina.
Yeah, that's true.
Why?
Because I will laugh in serious moments. So I will most likely laugh
true.
10 seconds in when the director says action.
What about like, what if we do like, who's most likely to and least likely to?
Okay.
Okay, so after Nina, it's gonna be me. Because I can't take anything seriously.
That's spicy.
It's not spicy.
No, that's a lie. She's a great actress.
Baby. So Karina, are you like are you gonna be the best actor out of three of us?
Perhaps.
I don't think so. Because
So none of
do you
us.
still remember the day when we want to celebrate your birthday?
Yeah?
Nina's birthday.
Oh yeah,
Then suddenly.
she spoiled it.
yeah.
She spoiled it literally before we wanted to leave the door.
We literally kept your birthday lunch a secret for 2 weeks. And before we left for the birthday lunch, she was like, "Oh, we're gonna have steamboat." She told her mom, so the secret's out. But we love that about us. So
But I wanted to pretend I didn't hear it though.
I know, but I saw you laughing though. I saw you turning and laughing.
I was like,
Yeah, I know. Who is most likely to be poor?
stop
Me.
it, stop
I made that up. Okay. Who's most likely to be sensitive?
Sophie.
I've heard it.
No, Karina. Karina.
What do you
Maybe me first, and then Karina.
I think it's me.
Karina is
I'm
sensitive.
more
Karina is
sensitive than
sensitive.
coffee.
She's more Ew, I'm eating with my mouth full. I'm
What?
talking with my mouth full. It's not spicy though.
Oh,
It is
this one is
spicy.
spicy.
Really?
The ayam bakar is spicy.
Let me try it.
Whoa. Okay, next question. Oh wait, were we done with that one? Okay, first Karina was most sensitive, and then what?
And then Sophie.
You are not sensitive. You're actually really strong, but you're really empathetic.
Oh,
Like you care about
I
other
am?
people, but
no.
you're sensitive when you need to be.
No.
Are we gonna end up crying also?
No, not again. Not anymore, please. Who is most likely to date a celebrity?
Me.
Yes, Karina, most definitely.
Why is that?
Because even guys in the elevator that's handsome will attract her. But
I think I can marry all guys.
What do you mean, Karina? Can you elaborate?
I mean, I can even like uncle cleaner at.
are you serious?
No, there's one.
Nothing
uncle
wrong with that,
when I think
What
No, I mean,
one,
she said-
one uncle.
No, she said uncle. Then guys, dah berumur lah.
Oh yeah, you're right. The chicken is spicier.
Mm.
Okay, next question. Who is most likely?
Oh,
To be a celebrity.
Who is most likely to get angry quicker?
Sophie?
Really?
Yeah,
But
Sophie.
Sophie's really calm though.
I kind of
How to?
have like,
Whoa. Whoa.
you know, just relax.
Down.
I mean, I do have thin patience.
I feel like I don't know.
Karina doesn't get angry though.
Yeah, but when Karina's upset, it's so obvious.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I thought you didn't want to drink. Maybe you can pick one. Hold on, let me.
Who
This is
is
strong.
most likely?
To fart a lot.
Karina.
I'm being attacked. Literally, I fart like 20 times a day. So
Are you sure?
maybe
No.
we share the same.
I've never heard you fart.
Yeah, because like as soon as you say goodnight, baby, it's like I fart.
Who is most?
You know what? The reason why I don't kind of read the question is because I know she'll be targeting me.
Who is most likely to be farting all the time? Obviously, Sophie. Or you?
Rude. Nina farted in front of me once. It was not fair.
It's so funny. I apologize. I was like, I'm
And
sorry.
I farted last weekend.
Wait, can I just tell you? Can I just tell you how Nina farted? No, it was just like
Do you want to try?
me and Farah, we were talking in the living room, and Nina just came down.
Farah, wait, Farah wasn't dead, huh?
She was, baby.
Oh.
And we were talking. Oh my god, like Maggie was in my. Oh my god, my batteries are running low.
Okay. I mean, our food's in the fridge anyway.
Yeah, so like we were talking and suddenly she just farted and apologized. She was like, "Oh, sorry," and I remember I didn't laugh, right?
No.
I said, "No, it's fine."
That was my first part with you.
Yeah, we're really close if you haven't noticed.
How about me? My first fart.
Your first fart that I heard, you were asleep and you woke up scared with your own fart.
Wait, really?
Yeah, like I woke up first, right? And then suddenly she farted and she just opened her eyes like she was shook.
No, Karina.
This because at that time I didn't expect.
No, I
didn't expect I will fart.
I wasn't close to
At that
Karina
time.
at first, so I've never heard her fart or anything before. But the first thing that I did hear from her was the thing that she made when she was like that.
Oh yeah. Karina has this habit of making like certain noises before when she's about to fall asleep. I'll do it. Can you do it? It's like yeah, and at first it scared me.
Yeah, then when I was in the room, Sophie was like, "Be prepared."
Yeah,
I've never
and
seen
then
it before.
you heard it, right? But you weren't surprised. I don't think you were surprised, Ken. Were you surprised? Or were you just like...
No, but I was like. But then after I heard that, we were saying that one day Karina's gonna have a battle with her husband. Like he's gonna be like,
Oh.
Yeah.
We're on camera and we're doing this.
We don't want to be there to hear it.
Whoa. Baby.
Do you want to talk about...
It's already like 10 minutes and kita just talking about fart.
I love it.
Also, it's almost 11 minutes. But we almost ate it all. Chicken is spicy.
I thought the tom yum would be spicy than
The mama is just more flavorful, I guess. What if we talk about how we first met?
Okay.
Yeah.
My first, not first met, maybe like
Like
earlier.
your first impression?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Honest first impressions on these two.
Go start with
Karina.
Karina first.
See, Karina said.
Karina Army.
She drops the noodles on her knees.
Oh, no, look, we can try it.
Huh?
What would you say? Apa you?
Karina doesn't eat spicy food, so this is kind of crazy.
When is this first impression?
Impression?
Of whoever.
Yeah, untuk I do. Me and
But-
Sophie.
You Sophie?
I'm worried.
For Nina,
I'm scared. Me too. Oh my gosh.
my first, honestly,
What do you think we're bitches?
I didn't say anything. Okay, my first impression dekat Nina is that honestly, I don't have any. It's just, oh, it's she, that you, I think among all of good.
Huh?
Did I say this?
I don't know.
Boleh je, but like.
But
No, I said the same thing. Honestly, you
Yeah.
know that.
like,
Like,
You
want me to be honest, kan?
Yeah, she already
Yeah.
said that, but as well, but I've never believed it because back in foundation, I was really hideous.
what would you say?
Hideous! I was.
No.
Yes, I was. No, I don't get why you guys said that.
Nina, if you
No,
thought you were
baby.
hideous before, like situation.
Are you sure you're not saying that just because you're friends with me now?
No, baby.
Okay, fine.
Whatever. My first impression on Karina was she used me. She literally came up to me and asked me to help her with
if
subject registration. And she was there for a while, and then
Everything is dropping.
and when I was doing all these things for her, she just disappeared. But I knew that Karina, I'm gonna say this once. I knew you were a nice person. Like I knew you were a nice person. Like regardless of you telling me that you don't understand why I do certain things, but you were nice. Like I never had any negative feeling towards you, or like, you know, that bad inkling. Okay, no, I'm not with you.
My turn. My first impression on Karina. When we met, mesti when kita tak kenal tau, but like we met in like our first interaction in class. Masa ada this thing and Miss just pack and
Miss
not pack.
Elizabeth class. Is it in Miss?
No, there's
Nutrition?
this one class. Miss, what's her name? Yang pakai tudung tu?
Dahlia?
No, Miss Dahlia.
No. Yang
Miss
kecil tu.
Rosanna.
Rosanna. No.
Mas Rosanna.
Oh, Miss Raja. So in that class we had to get in groups and then we played the like game style, like grammar games and stuff like that. So I was with I masuk group dengan Karina.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then you
You're
were
in my group.
ada. Masa kita tak dapat. But
Karina, I love how Karina said you stood out, and then she's like, you were there.
Karina was intimidating time tu. I was scared of you.
Intimidatingly, you were scary.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was scary. Like you macam garang sikit dalam group tu when you were talking to me. I asked you a question and you were like jawab each other like garang sikit. So I was like,
really?
oh, intimidating. But then when I met her,
I didn't expect that we are going to be friends.
Same.
yeah, Karina Sophie helped me when I first met her.
Oh yeah, and she was really
I was like,
surprised.
oh, and then and from that time I knew that she was the sweetest person.
Stop it, baby. I don't know if I'm crying because of the spice or because you guys are being sweet. So yeah.
Woo!
Oh my god, I can't believe we ate that in 15 minutes. Are we like aliens?
I think we were trying to beat the heat.
to their
Beat the heat.
to their pure. To their future men's, like, if you want to feed them, this is how you do it. Do it like I did.
No.
No, baby.
No. Is it good? Is it too like carbonated?
It's like, I think it's softer the most.
I think you will like this. This one, this is strawberry flavor.
Do you want tissue? Is it nice?
They're both good.
I think this one better kot.
This tastes like ass. Last question. I don't know when this is gonna die. It stayed on for 7 minutes. Who's most likely to hate Justin Bieber?
Sophie.
Definitely not me, because I was a believer dulu.
You were a believer?
No, first I was a believer, but then the close second I was a Swiftie.
Yeah,
Swiftie.
I'm a
And then Bar
Swiftie.
Directioner. Stop.
Oh. Do you like Grace and Chance?
Dulu.
Oh.
When dulu masa, you know, his songs are macam Waiting Outside the Lines and what is that? Something about breakup. I forgot.
Like
Masa
the music video dekat train ke? Kan?
Oh, tu satu yang Sunshine City Lights kan?
I have another question.
Sunshine.
Who is most likely to make more friends? Nina.
Mungkin you know.
100% Nina.
I don't think.
I don't know. I think I
she
like
has
making
more-
friends.
Yeah.
I think all of us like making friends.
No, baby.
But I guess since I was younger, memang I really like approaching people. It was just like, hi, do you want to play? I don't know. I just like
and then
doing
someone
that.
ignored you, right?
I think so. Screw you, person that I don't
Screw you,
remember.
person that ignored her. You missed out. Look at this body.
Ew! You're crazy. Like even at the McDonald's playground, like my brother would get left behind because I leave him and meet someone new.
Let's see.
And
Are
that's
you talking
me.
to strangers?
Yeah, like.
Who is most likely to? This is stupid. This is the stupid question.
Oh, okay.
Who is most likely to listen to music while driving? Like, don't we all?
Yeah.
I think.
Dumb question. Be better. Make better questions.
But
Better.
Nina didn't drive.
Yeah, I haven't tried. I haven't drive yet, but I feel
You
like
have
obviously.
license?
yeah, like
Yeah.
even if you do, yeah.
And also I dah ada kereta. I mean dah belum sampai lagi, but my dad already tu lah. It's a Myvi, macam kereta Sophia I think.
I'm Azia.
Yeah. So I was like, oh Azia, sorry, Myvi.
Oh.
So I was like, oh, like I can't drive yet though.
Who's most likely to fall in love with their boss?
Yeah, Karina. Oh my god, that question
100%.
was made
Whoa,
for Karina.
my voice became like, Karina, did you eat the part that fell?
Beat the shit.
to their pure. Because
Did I?
yeah, because I put it here. No, baby.
No. Stop. Why does this noodle look gross?
Don't. Oh my god, let's show it.
It looks so weird.
It looks like someone braided it.
It
or
looks like an
something.
amoeba.
Ooh, we have science.
You can't
We have a scientist.
focus.
Okay.
Seriously, you didn't even let them see it. She hates y'all. Be better.
Literally nobody watches, and we're like,
No.
y'all,
Nobody is watching us.
mom,
No,
dad.
we're pretending that we have 10,000 fans.
Maybe that's sad. That's so sad. Anyways,
I think it will be like 200 people who will be watching this.
do
Do support us.
we might do another. We might do another whatever type video this is. You want water? I can't reach it.
I'm scared
Whatever.
that-
Just choke.
Stop!
Do support Sophie's
Oh my god, she still wants to say it.
YouTube channel. Do subscribe and
Like,
Yes, subscribe, you guys.
like
Subscribe.
and subscribe to Sophia Rose Elena. She needs them coins.
Yeah, I actually do, because when we asked the question who's most likely to be poor, it's actually me, you guys.
Me.
No. If we make another video like this, then we're probably gonna talk about like not serious things, but
Deeper things.
like our fats.
Fats.
facts.
Yeah, like Nina's weight loss,
Oh, okay.
because she lost the
Skinny.
most.
Yeah.
She lost the
She
most.
not.
so-
She.
She lost the most, so she can talk about it. We have no right.
No,
I'm just gonna shut the fuck up.
that's
because-
not true. They have lost a lot as well since the first journey we did, which is like, I don't know, 3 months ago. I don't know. 2 months
maybe
ago? 4?
a year ago.
Yeah.
I just have stubborn fats.
We all do. Do we all?
No, baby, yours is like we breathe air and we gain like 10 kilos.
That's not true. No, we're all thinking.
She has air for dinner, so that's why she's skinny.
Did you guys see what I have right here? We are thinking